Welcome back to Korean Grammar Made Easy. Today, we are learning two very useful time words, 아직 and 벌써. In English, we often say still, not yet, or already, but in Korean, choosing between 아직 and 벌써 clearly shows how you feel about time and progress. Let's break this down simply. Here's the clear rule. 아직 equals still, not yet. 벌써 equals already. Think of it this way. 아직, something is not finished or still continuing. 벌써, something happened earlier than expected. See some basic examples. 아직 공부해요. I'm still studying. 아직 집에 있어요. I'm still at home. 아직 안 왔어요. He or she hasn't come yet. 벌써 공부했어요. I already studied. 벌써 집에 갔어요. He or she already went home. 벌써 끝났어요. It's already finished. When waiting for someone, 아직 안 왔어요? Haven't they come yet? 아직 기다리고 있어요. I'm still waiting. When feeling surprised, 벌써 왔어요? You are already here? 벌써 퇴근했어요. I already got off work. Same situation, different feeling about time. A common mistake is forgetting the time expectation. 아직 다 했어요. This sounds contradictory, so you'd better say 아직 안 했어요. Another mistake, 벌써 안 왔어요. This doesn't work actually, so you'd better say 아직 안 왔어요. So always ask yourself, is it not finished yet or finished earlier than expected? Koreans often use 벌써 to express surprise or emotion. 벌써 이렇게 컸어요? You've grown already? 벌써 10년 됐어요. It's already been 10 years. And 아직 often sounds gentle or patient. 아직 괜찮아요. It's still okay. Quick review. 아직 equals still, not yet. 벌써 equals already. Remember. And practice with these sentences. 아직 비가 와요. It's still raining. 벌써 밤이에요. It's already night. Leave a comment using 아직 and 벌써.